Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ifeanyi. This time around, we have a competition here with Evangelist Ifeanyi. So, he now take money. Say who first to win this, win 10,000 naira. This is just ordinary semo and one gari. That is six. So first to win 10,000 naira. So I don't know if you have anything to say.
Yes. I have something to say. This is Evangelist Ifeanyi speaking. I come all the way from Port Harcourt because I heard the way this guy has been here in Lagos State. So I decided to flew in to dethrone him, to overtake him, to overshadow him. So today is the big day.
So now we start. Game start.
Spanner. I beg someone to pick the money. Pick the money. Spanner is going.
I go take your money disappear. 419 is just a game. You are the loser. I am the winner. 419 is just a game. Because I was tomorrow may come. I'll be mambo, I'll be the boat, I'll be Janta, I'll be all there. Kiss we be.
No be mouth. Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt man. You don't let boys there though. 3 weeks. Let's go. The 10K is going. The 10K is going. 10K is gone. Oh yeah, we don't accept camera. We don't accept. A big walego kainawa. Walego kainawa.
Come and kiss me, come and kiss me, come and wipe me. Kissing me, just because you feel like getting money. Before you finish, you will run away. Before you go, let me enjoy you. Give it to me from.
I give you some money. I carry you go party. When the money come finish.
You don't give up.
I don't give up.
Where the God where carry come, where God dey now?
I don't give up.
God don't go.
Yes.